My name is Mohammed, and today I am so much excited because I just created another integration, and in this integration, we have covered all the status of the WooCommerce. For example, a product is purchased in WooCommerce or cancelled in WooCommerce, on hold, or all the status. We were going to monitor all the status, and we are triggering automation in our GoHighLevel. So we are going to get all out of the our integration and getting so much benefits. So this is not the old one video. In our old video we were just integrating only one module, or you can say whenever a product purchased in WooCommerce that were going into the GoHighLevel. But in this video we are going to cover all the status of WooCommerce orders. Let's move. In this video I'm not going to blur anything. Okay, so first of all we have a WooCommerce. We have to go to the settings, and then we go to the advanced, and here we have webhooks. So if we go to the webhooks, it is I just created already a trigger for this, but I'm going to create another one. You have to go to the add webhook, and here you will name this one. For example, you can say this DHL, okay, update order. Okay, we have to write the name, status, it will be status active, and here the topic. So in our previous video we were just only integrating only one, like the creation of order, but right now what we do, we have to create order, and we have to add order updated. We have to set this one delivery URL. For this delivery URL, this is a webhook URL that will be taken from inbound webhook. In your case you will create a new workflow, and from there you will set up an inbound webhook, and then you will copy this webhook URL and paste into directly into the WooCommerce here, like here, and just you have to then save the webhook. In my case I have already done this, so we go to the webhooks. Okay, I'm going to leave this one. Okay, so that is created, order create. This one is the old one. I did not delete this one. Okay, you have to create a you created a new webhook for this, and after that what we have to do, we have done all the things in our workflow. So first of all, as the webhook will be triggered for any order status, as the order status will be updated, the webhook will be triggered in our workflow in GoHighLevel. First of all, we are going to create the contact. This is same and quite simple. Create contact, we have to map the fields, and which field we have to map, like for full name I just guide you, we have to custom values, and here we have inbound webhook trigger, and here you will just, if you write the name, it will pick the, okay, it is not picking, we have to manually do this. Inbound webhook headers, and here as, okay, so actually we have selected the wrong payload. We have to select the real-time payload. For example, this is the payload, you can see this is a real time. We have to save trigger, and now what when we go to the context, if we go here, inbound webhook, so you can see now we have the values of webhooks. From here we have to pick the name. Just let me see the name. What the heck. Okay, so inbound webhook, and here we have the created all the thing, customer ID. So okay, so we have two types of values that we can save. Either we can save the billing information or from shipping. If we go to the, like we mostly do for the shipping, because it will notify the such person who is going to receive the order. For these are the shipping details. We have go here, and we have, you can see first name, last name, address, all the things are here, postcode, country, phone. So you have to just map all the things, and keep in mind, don't forget to set the phone number or email address, because both are the primary, either the phone number or email, these are the primary keys. One of these should be available, otherwise it will give error. So right, in my case I have created a cart total value custom field, and I just give the cart value from webhook into cart total and products, and these are for some type of another automation for me. So that's why you don't need to create these custom fields. You have to create the general info and the cart total if you like. Okay, then you have to hit save. For now I am just going to save. So the magic from here, these are the status. You can see the order status is processing, status is failed, on hold, cancelled, refunded. So I am just put these status right here. We can also put all the status, but according to me what I think that these are the important status that we need to track in GoHighLevel. Okay, so for now what we have to do, that is simple. I will put these status also in the where in the description of the video. Okay, so you just have to, this is the status, this value is coming from the webhook. If you have to select this one, you have to, you can see status, and for back I am just going to set this from, for example we have to set inbound webhook, and here this is the status. Okay, so status you have to put it here, and you have to put right manually here is processing, and you have to just you have to write exact processing right here, because these you can say keywords that I get from the real-time testing, that the in simple words, the processing is the status in which the payment has been successful, and you can count this as a successful. So processing, it will be successful, the order has been successfully placed. And for failed, you can say payment has failed, on hold due to some reasons, and the order is on hold, then this status occurs. And if the this cancel one, or if you refunded in WooCommerce, then this status has done. Okay, after that, when you do this, you have multiple branches here. So for processing, this one is the, you can say the correct, what should I say, it is a successful order that the client has paid, and now it is in processing. So from here you can trigger multiple workflows or something like that. In my case, what I have done, I just created the automation. Okay, we will discuss this part later on. Let me define you all other things. So in case of failed, I am updating the custom fields of opportunities. So you can do anything, you can create multiple stages for all the status. Like for failed, you have an pipeline stage, for on hold you have another stage, and cancelled or refunded you can create it according to your requirements, or you can also add the tags, or you can run multiple automation according to the statuses. So actually what I think that is more accurate, or will be more efficient, is whenever you can for example the status has failed. So what we have done, I have different stages. I just created two stages for this type of tracking. For example, one is the, you can say, sales, and the pipeline is the cancelled orders. So as the order failed, what I have done, I just checked that order. Okay, first I am going to find the opportunity, and where, in WooCommerce sale. Okay, so that something happened. For example, the order has been placed, and after that the order cancelled or something else happened. So in this case, I have to shift the opportunities from our WooCommerce sales, or you can say from successful sales to the failed stage. So that's why I just at the as the status will be failed, I am going to search for the opportunity. If the opportunity is in the successful, this one is the, you can say, processing, this is a successful order. So as a order failed, this will check the opportunity in our processing or successful sales. And if that is present there, what we have to do, because we have set this one, so now if we create or update opportunity in end the stage, so the lead will be moved from processing to failed. So in this sense, the everything will be organized. Or if suppose if that they did not found in our opportunity opportunity in sales, then it will just create the opportunity in our cancel order. So I just set it to go to add the tagging and something like this. Okay, so same things are happening on hold, on cancel, on refunded. And this one, if there is some another error other than the refunded, cancelled, on hold, or failed, then it will be also moving into the cancel orders, but it will add the tag. And the tag is Lumipin says sorry, the tag is WooCommerce status unknown. It means the order has cancelled, but the status is unknown. And if we go to our successful orders, because processing it leads to the successful orders, and we are adding tag Illumipin welcome order create, and this is going to enroll the leads in. There are some multiple workflows that needs to be trigger and give the notification about the product to the client. So the leads also enrolling in those, and I also going to find opportunity. And where is going to find the opportunity for cancel orders? Because for example, someone order has cancelled and he tried again, so in this case the opportunity will be taken from the cancel order stage and move to the successful order stage. So it will find the opportunity and create here. If the opportunity does not find, it will also create the opportunity in our successful orders. So this is the I hope I tried to define this. If you have any question, you can ask, and I hope you can get more out of this by applying this automation according to your requirements. I hope this will make sense, and sorry for my English, and I tried to explain everything. So please comment, ask questions, and we can communicate to get more of from the GHL. And if you and I am available for any type of assistance I can provide to you for integration, for GoHighLevel automations, or if you want to create customized dashboards, I am also available. So thank you so much. See you in our next video.